Welcome to our step-by-step guide on creating a Google account from scratch. Whether you're new to Google services or simply looking to set up a new account, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and go to www.google.com. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. On the next page, click on the Create Account link at the bottom right corner. Step 4. Fill in the necessary information, starting with your first and last name. Step 5. Choose your desired username or email address. If your preferred username is taken, Google will provide alternate options to choose from. Step 6. Create a strong password. Make sure it's something you can remember but difficult for others to guess. Step 7. Enter your phone number. This will be used to secure your account and recover it if you ever lose access. Step 9. Next, add your birth date and gender. These details are optional, but they can help personalize your Google experience. Step 10. Read and review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, click on I agree to continue. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Google account. You now have access to a world of Google services such as Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Calendar.
Love you so much, guys. Thank you for watching again. Love you. Bye bye.